They're at the post. And they're off. Mac the Man broke very sharply. So did Bye Bye Bernie on the outside. Through from the inside, Smoke 'em Charlie and Count on Silver. But it's Mac the Man in front. Bye Bye Bernie second. Count on Silver down along the inside runs a third. I Do Believe takes fourth. Smoke 'em Charlie fifth. Gefest is now sixth. Gap of two. Mellow Fellow runs seventh. 4 lengths back to Taking the Slow Road. Then it's Silver Tongued. Indiana Charlie trails. Quarter and 24 and 1. Mac the Man in front, just a half length. Bye Bye Bernie second by a length. Up on the outside, I Do Believe runs third. It's a length to Count on Silver in fourth. Smoke 'em Charlie runs fifth. Gefest is now sixth. Mellow Fellow on the outside is seventh. Big gap now back to Taking the Slow Road. Silver Tongued and Indiana Charlie. The half and 48. Mac the Man in front. Bye Bye Bernie still there in second. Gap of 2.5 to Count on Silver. From the outside, I Do Believe is next, but into the stretch, it's Mac the Man and Bye Bye Bernie. I Do Believe up on the outside, still down along the inside, Count on Silver. Late run from Taking the Slow Road, but Mac the Man is in front and drawing away. Mac the Man and Arroyo impressively winning the 96 Rock. Bye Bye Bernie second. Taking the Slow Road third, a photo for fourth.